Hello everyone, we are students at Marmara University Engineering Faculty, Department of Computer Engineering, Furkan, Kemal, Dönmez, Mustafa, Furkan, Aras, and Emre Yiğit. The title of our project is Finding the Location of Cars in Image by Deep Learning. With the developing technology, the dependence of the vehicles on manpower is decreasing. However, autonomization is increasing day by day. The most fundamental issue in autonomous vehicles is the vision of the car. Road tracking and recognition of other vehicles on the road is a priority. We focused on this in our project. To date, many different object detection algorithms have been developed and used. We also use these object detection algorithms to detect cars and analyze the results. By doing this, we aim to discover the difference and good sides of algorithms. In our project, we first worked on the YOLO algorithm. YOLO takes these huge size image as input as seen in the figure. By encoding with pixel, the format is reshaped from the beginning. For example, here are 19 cells in each row and column. If the midpoint of an object falls into a grid cell, that grid cell is responsible for detecting that object. There are three main steps after that. First one is calculating score. In this step, the confidence score and class probabilities are multiplied one by one. This process is applied to all anchor boxes in all cells, and as a result, it is clear which object is in that cell. The second one is filtering the boxes. After calculating the scores, we got boxes, but the problem is there are many unnecessary boxes and most of them are wrong. In this function, the aim is to eliminate the low score boxes and reach the actual result. For this, a threshold value is determined and cells with a score below are eliminated, and finally the number of boxes is minimized. When we apply this for each cell, we only have boxes containing a real object. The last step is non-max supervision. We see the result from the filter operation in the left figure. The model has predicted 3 cars, but it's actually 3 predictions of the same car. Running non-max supervision will select only the most accurate one of these 3 boxes. For this, an important function called intersection or union is used. First, we select the box has the highest score. Then we apply the process we see in the figure between all other boxes and the box we have selected before. We divide the area of intersection by the union area and we remove the boxes below the threshold value we determined before. When we apply this until there is one box left, we have the best box. I can summarize YOLO's work in this way.
I'm going to talk about faster RCNN. How faster RCNN works. The RPN generates region proposals, and for all region proposals in the image, a fixed length feature vector is extracted from each region using the repooling layer, and the extracted feature vectors are then classified using the fast RCNN. The class scores of the detected objects, in addition to their bounding boxes, are returned. And how RPN works, region proposal network, use anchor boxes to each location, and anchors are translation invariant. I use the same ones at every location. Regression gives offsets from anchor boxes, and classification gives the probability that each anchor shows an object.
For the comparison part, we compared these two algorithms in terms of their structure, speed and accuracy. For the structure part, both use anchor box based network structure and both of them using bounding box regression. But YOLO offers a more elegant way. Faster RCNN has region of interest for doing convolution, but YOLO does detection and classification at the same time. Thus, YOLO achieves results without the hassle of extra steps and achieves results much faster. Another benefit this advantage offers to YOLO its real-time detection capability. Faster RCNN cannot perform real-time detection due to its two-step architecture, but there are also downsides to getting results faster. Because YOLO only predicts one class of objects on a grid, it has difficulties on detecting objects that are very small and very close to each other. On the other hand, faster RCNN can detect small objects as it has more than one anchor in a single grid. And according to the results we got in the dataset we used, YOLO has 11% more recall and almost 23 times faster than faster RCNN. However, in a dataset containing small and frequent objects, I mean in the dataset we choose images that YOLO would have difficulty with, the faster RCNN model has 0.06% more recall. In this dataset, we choose the image taken at this time of heavy traffic or accident. But that's because it's a bit of stretch. The result we reach is YOLO version 3 is better than faster RCNN. And according to the two parameters mentioned, the test results for the models are as in the table. You can see on the table. And in conclusion, we compared the YOLO and faster RCNN object detection algorithms. We made experimental comparisons against images in a particular dataset. YOLO model reached 97% recall and in detection and classification, while faster RCNN model reached 86% recall. For the precision value, the result of both models are satisfactory and almost 100%. This value shows us that when they classify as an object as car, that object is very likely a car. Percentage that the algorithms classify non-car objects as car is about 0.1%. That's all. These are references and these are the technologies that we use.